morning. In year 3A, we have been looking at New Year's resolutions. New Year's resolutions are when someone makes a promise to do something. In class, we have come up with some of our own New Year's resolutions. We are now going to share them with you. This year, I will try to do my gymnastics better. I will try to not yell at my mom. I will try to do better at school. This year, I promise to focus on my work and work every time and wake up early. This year, I promise to be good at PE, do homework, be a good boxer. This year, I promise to be better at geography, start drinking tea, and be better at dancing. This year, I promise to be nicer to my friends, I will be nice to my mom and dad, and I will be a better dancer. This year, I promise to be better at English, to keep my room clean, and to swim better. This year, I promise to be nice to my teacher, listen to my mom and dad, and be better at science. This year, I promise to be better at all lessons, entertain my dog, and be better at algebra. This year, I promise to try to be better at maths. I promise to keep my room tidy. I promise to try my best at PE. This year, I promise to try my best at English, eat a lot of vegetables, and try harder at dancing. I will try to be better at English. I will try to tidy my room every day. I will try to eat and be better at job every day. This year I promise to be good at This year I promise to be better at geography. I will try to do homework by myself. I promise to be better. This year, I'll do my homework every day. I'll try to be better at football. At school, I'll do better in math. This year, I promise to be better at math. I promise to help my dad for massage. I will try to be better at drawing. Positive thinking. U is for you